Are you ready to see the 2025 winter collection from Wille? Let's take a look at it. So the 2025 winter collection from Wille. These are 3 wigs. They were provided to me by Wig Studio One. So thank you for sending these to me. I can't wait to show you these. Let's just get right into it. I have 3 to show you. This one is called Like Mono, and this color is Sand Multi-Rooted. Look at this fun little short wig. Now, these are synthetic fibers. 2 of these are regular synthetic and 1 is heat friendly. This is regular synthetic fibers. It has an extended lace front and a mono part. But isn't this cute with this little bit of wave in this? It also has a little bit of a stacked back. I want to make sure you notice that, which I think just makes this a little more up-to-date, a little more trendy. So it has a little, this wave, and then it goes around to that stacked back. I think it is so cute. Now this one is available in 12 shades. It fit me perfectly. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. I didn't find that I needed to do any adjusting or anything. It fit fine. There is no permatease in this wig. I cannot feel a bit of permatease. I'm gonna let you see the lace front. Really nice job. I can't even see it. There's my bio hair there and there. Such a cute style. I'm going to insert a video of the cap. Like I said, this has an extended lace front, a mono part, it's open wefted, it has an extended nape and Velcro adjusters. Now the specs of this, the front of this is 6 inches and the sides are also 6. It has a 2½ inch nape and it weighs 2.8 ounces. It is extremely, just very lightweight. Now this, I'm going to show you the front of this. I want you to see. You could cut a bang into this if you wanted to. You can wear it, just kind of swept off your face. I just pulled mine back off, but you could just kind of sweep it down, which is really a cute look too. Put it behind your ears for that look. It's versatile. These fibers, y'all, are so soft. They are just like feathers. Now, I'm going to also insert some video of the color, Sand Multi-Rooted, and as I let you see it up here, I'm going to show it to you closer up. Now, this consists of a lot of blended shades of blonde. It has some really light brown in here, some ash blonde, and then it has this light brown rooting. And I know we're not all a fan of rooting, and I do wish that we had more options for non-rooted wigs, but this one does have the root, Sand Multi-Rooted. All right, this is a State Mono in Bernstein Rooted. Now, I, of course, love a short pixie style, and I think this one is adorable. So cute, the way this is so layered. Now this one is synthetic fibers and it also has a large mono top. So I just chose to sweep mine over. Now, if I was going to wear this every day, I would put some styling cream in this and really spike it up. But I wanted to show you really how this comes out of the box. But it does have the full mono part, mono top, so you can change any of this around any way you would like. But look at this short, fun style. Fits really close to the neck. Lots and lots of layers here. I'm just choosing to kind of pull mine all forward. Now let's talk about permatease. Of course, there's none in the top because it's a mono top. There's no permatease in this wig. I don't feel any at all. All right, let's look at the inside of the cap. Like I said, full mono top, extended lace front. Now this one has the polyurethane at the ear tabs and on the nape. And it has Velcro adjusters. This fit me exactly like the other one did with my 21¼ inch head. It's just a perfect fit. I did not do any adjustment to it at all. All right, let's talk about this color, Bernstein Rooted. Now again, this is a blended shade. It has some light brown and light golden blonde. Now this has a little medium strawberry blonde running through it as well. It's all on this shaded root. We're all familiar with this. That's the lace front on this one too. It's really, really cute, really well done. Now, I just want to call something to your attention. You might see a color code on Bernstein Rooted as 122620. This color code of this one is 122627. Now, as you know, Ellen Wille changes those color codes sometimes depending on the style. They like to, they look at a style and then they'll assign a color code. And it can be the same name, Bernstein Rooted, but like I said, and I have some, I looked at some of my Bernstein Rooted at 122620. This one is 122627. The 27 being that medium strawberry blonde, where the 20 is a lighter strawberry blonde. So I just want to call that to your attention on this style. Okay, wow, look at this long, beautiful style. This is called Flash Mono, and this color is Tobacco Rooted. Long style, of course, and with these beautiful bangs. Now, these are heat-friendly fibers, and I want to tell you, they send a little card along with this wig, and there's a Q code on the back of this, and it has some tutorials about styling this type of fiber. So just to call that to your attention. Also, if you have any questions about heat, what temperatures you need to use, please just reach out to support@wigstudio1.com and they'll be happy to help you with any of that information. Now, just a couple things I want to point out about this wig. First, the fit. Exactly the same as the others. Fit me perfectly. I think this bang on this is just so cute. They're 4-inch bang. It has a lace front. Now, this has a center mono part. Permatease, I feel the slightest amount of permatease on either side of that part. It's very small. It's not a large amount. I just want to let you know, but there is some also at the nape, a little more at the nape. I'm feeling through the back of this, and that's giving us this shape for sure. It's really beautiful. I feel like it gets very lightweight on the ends of this. It's not a heavy curl in any way. It's a little more wispy. This is very pretty around the face. Now, another thing I thought was really neat, I'm going to show you the lace front, but do you see they highlighted the fibers right around the face? So if you wanted to wear this off your face, it's highlighted there. I thought that was really, really a nice touch. I think this would be a beautiful wig to wear in an updo. There's so much length here. You could wear this half up and half down on this one. It would be beautiful. I like that it has enough weight, enough length. Also, this is easily going in a ponytail for you, very easily. I know we're always looking for wigs that are good with ponytails, to make a ponytail. You can easily do that with this. Now let's talk about the inside of the cap. Like I said, it has a center mono part, an extended lace front. It has open wefting, extended felt nape, and Velcro adjusters. Really gorgeous, y'all. Look how beautiful this wig is. Now the specs. The front, like I said, the bang is 4 inches long. The crown of this is 12. The sides are 11. The nape is 12. It has a long nape. It is 3.9 ounces. And I just think if you're looking for a long style with a little wave, you might consider this. Again, I just want to make sure you understand the ends of this. This is not heavy. The ends are these. It's just very wispy and light, and I think that's really nice. It's not weighed down or heavy in any way, and yet this is made from the heat-friendly fibers, so you could straighten this or add some more curl. Let's talk about Tobacco Rooted. It starts out with a base of medium brown, and it has some auburn, some really light auburn lowlights in this, and some highlights of light golden blonde. You can see those, and again, under the bangs, I showed you how that was highlighted with that light golden blonde. Beautiful, beautiful color, Tobacco Rooted. I hope you enjoyed looking at these 3 brand new styles from Ellen Villa. I had so much fun making this for you. If you have any questions, again, reach out to us at support@wigstudio1.com. Join us in our private Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. You know, we have Sell It Sunday over there. You'll get first notice of sales. There's a lot going on in that group. So we look forward to seeing you then. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.